We just got off work and we're gonna get cracking on getting some serious work done on this floor. We're framing out the floor by putting these 1x3s down and gluing them directly to the ground. And then in these little cubes, we're gonna put that foam that we had recently put straight onto the floor in between these squares and then put the plywood on top of those things. Hoping that's gonna work. This is miserable. I'm gonna be honest, I spent most of last night getting the foam, this foam, off of the plywood that it's glued onto. I don't know what this is called.
Pry bar.
It's a pry bar. It doesn't look like a pry bar to me, but I'm using this tiny pry bar to get up under the foam board, and then if it doesn't get up under there because there's glue, I'm banging it with this thing. And it is a process. It took me probably an hour to do one of these last night. So I'm gonna get to work on this. It's not gonna be pretty, but we have to get it done because we've got other foam board going in there, and then once the foam board's in, we gotta reuse this plywood because it was freaking expensive. This van conversion is lots of hard, dirty, not so fun work. I'm really excited when we can finally get this vinyl in and it starts to look more like a little home on wheels. With that being said, let's get to work. Well, yeah, I'm good. That's a big piece. This is the aftermath of getting all of the foam off that piece of plywood. 40 minutes powered by some aggression. And we got it done. Whoop whoop. That's mostly clean. Wow, Tyler, you're crushing it. He has gotten every single piece of wood taped down, and now he's cutting out the foam to fit in.
I'll probably add a few more little pieces of wood here and there.
Okay.
But as you can see, there's a lot more support up there because that's where there's more foot traffic. Here there's wider areas without supports. And ultimately, it doesn't really need all that up there. I'm just cutting the wood right now to make this frame, and it's coming together. It's nasty. There's wood shavings everywhere, glue everywhere. Ready to be done.
Is the van conversion going the way you thought it was?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You thought it was gonna be this like annoying?
Yes, it's old fan.
Can't put that in there.
Can you beat it?
It's gonna be fine once we get everything done. How satisfying was that?
So I'm measuring this hole over here for a piece of foam. It's 32 7/8. So now I'm gonna go over here to this 48-inch piece of foam. We mark 32 7/8. Take this kind of a straight edge. It's not the straightest, but it'll work. Now take this razor blade right in front of Maria. Cut over here. And it's in.
Just like that.
Just like that. So we got all the plywood screwed down, and notice there's a few high spots on the edges, so we're going to sand those down a little bit to kind of get a smoother transition between the other pieces of plywood. And the reason we're sanding it down is so that whenever the vinyl floor is installed, you don't see any high spots, low spots, transitions, anything like that.
Is that good? Very close. Here.
You unplugged it.
No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Can I step?
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
What? Not even sure if I was in the frame, but all good. It's happening. Oh.
Alright.
What do I do?
Pull it to you.
Ow.
Get this big flat area, just like that. There you go.
It's flat.
Yeah. We're gonna have to pull. That's these are these seats. I'm gonna move it that way, like an inch. So don't stand on it.
Okay. That was a lot more than an inch, buddy.
I need you to go to the back.
Okay.
Because I don't want to go back there.
Okay.
Alright, I need you to pull it like an eighth of an inch.
Towards me?
Yes. Tiny bit more. Actually, you know what? That's good. That's good.
Oh.
That'll work.
Watch the seat. You realize. I'm putting that in there. It looks like wood floor. This is so fun! It's like a wave. Wavy. I'm wavy, girl. Okay, this process is taking way longer. We're gonna finish cutting this and then we're gonna come back to you when we start taping it down. We've got it all trimmed up around the edges. It's ready for tape, but I think we're gonna go get Mexican.
So.
Good work today.
Oh, we're not done yet.
The sky was just pink. Oh, it still kind of is. Dad mode.
I'm sending it to Garrett. Hey, Garrett, if you're watching.
Oh! That was cute.